welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm alone this time and I'll be showing you how to make an 8-minute microwave chocolate cake. I think this is the best cake I've ever had. It's like these ingredients is this little and tastes really nice. So let's start and I will show you the ingredients. These are the ingredients. This is 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, 2 teaspoons of baking powder with a pinch of salt, a 1/4 cup of fish oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So I use this cup. This is like, I don't know if this is actually a cup, but I use this cup for my cups of ingredients. So yep. Flour, baking powder and salt. Ooh, hot. Sugar. And then this is all in dry ingredients, so we should now mix. That's about mixed. So you make a hole in the middle, and then you add your oil, your eggs, and your teaspoon of vanilla essence. And there we go, and now we mix. Okay, for now. And then the cocoa you add into a cup. Oh no, can't do this with one hand. And then you add about a 1/2 cup of boiling water. And then you stir. Once this is mixed, there's no like lumps, you just throw it in your batter and start mixing. Ooh. Just take a knife. Easy. Here's the cake. Come now. So I usually decorate the cake with icing or mousse or whatever they want, ganache. I'll cut it in the middle, some caramel, cream, whatever. So like this. So you can decorate it as you desire. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.